welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be viewing some classic, old, vintage cars that are hard to find on the market. These cars cost a fortune to buy, and if you buy them, they will leave a big hole in your wallet. Come with me to see all these nostalgic, vintage, rare cars. This is a Daihatsu Tough Ground, and it was made in 1976. This is a kind of off-roading SUV-ish, and this is sold for 2.5 million Japanese yen. I think we should keep this to sell for more later. This is a 1959 BMW 600, which the door is open at the front for some reason, and the steering wheel is also attached to the door, which is equally as interesting. This should not be driven on roads and should only be kept for a collection due to it being kind of awkward. A Nissan Leopard F31 made in 1986. It is a very vintage car, and in the US it is known as Infiniti M30, and this can make up to 244 horsepower. This is a 1954 fire truck called AA4 Giant, and this is a three-wheeler, which is kind of interesting because most fire trucks are not three-wheeled. Next to me is the Datsun 1000, made in the mid-1960s. This is a very vintage car, and you don't see these driving around anymore. Just look at how unique the cars are. This is a Toyota Celica Camry made in 1980. This is a Subaru Alciano, which has windows like an airplane's windows. Only the bottom part of it reclines. This is a classic nostalgic car from Subaru. This is a 1990 Fairlady Z made by Nissan. This looks very authentic compared to the Nissan Fairlady Z that they have in the showroom today. This is a Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 2. This is a 5-speed manual, and it produces 280 horsepower. 4-door sedan made in 1994. This is an electric Toyota 86. This is a very unique and new car, which is loved by many car enthusiasts. Let's go see some classic vintage cars.